All right, folks, decided to put the hydrangeas in a pot. I just love this fountain. They're gonna be in a pot in the back. So you see they're suffering, but with a little TLC, we can get them where they need to be. So they're gonna be spaced out back here. And good thing about it is, after 1 o'clock, they'll get the shade that they need to. So enough water, and shade, and they'll be able to survive. So what I'm gonna do now is take you back to last week. I was featuring the Brute Lawnmower. Then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna cut this grass here. I was gonna wait another week, but it's time to give it a cut. So let's go back a week ago. Sunday, May 31st, 2020. This is how a lawnmower should look. Of course, I like how I can adjust the height. Goes up to 7 settings. I don't know if you can see them. It's pretty bright out here. Now I can go as high as I want at 7th setting, or very low to 1. Leave 8-inch wheels in the front, 10-inch wheels in the back. Briggs & Stratton, 140cc gas. I'm in love with it. The torque on this, 5 foot-pounds of torque. You do have to prime it on the side. It's beautiful. Hope it works as good as it looks. I always have a can of gasoline ready, but I had to go and get a 48-ounce Master Pro 4-cycle engine oil, specifically for the Brute Lawnmower. Primed it up. Let's see how it works. Let's hold the handle. What the hell? Started smoking already. Just put a hole. Folks, let me tell you what happened. I had to get the top of a box. Reason being, I put too much oil in this thing and it went shut off, started smoking. I looked at a video to see how to take care of it. So I tipped it over to get the oil out. I guess I had too much in it. Got enough out, and it's at the full line now. So when you're getting this, don't put too much oil in it. I mean, just somewhere between those arrows is fine. Leave it at that. If you got oil going past those lines, then you're gonna have a problem. Just thankful I didn't have to take any parts out or anything like that. Seems like it's okay. It was leaking. I first realized it from the filter over here. It might still be leaking, just very little. So again, make sure you don't overfill it with oil. So again, everything's fine now. As you can see, the first 2/3 of the grass was cut last week, so the lawnmower is fine. I just wanted to show you that everything's okay and it cuts extremely well. No problem. I can feel the power. Cuts like a knife. My favorite part, just being able to lift the flap and just pull the bag up and dump it in the garbage can. That's the best part. Well, second best part. So my thoughts, it's a monster. That's all it is. It's just a monster. It'll get the job done, no problem, in no time. Yard machines would stomp on me in very, oh my God, what the hell is that? Jesus Christ. Anyway, the yard machines would stomp on me when the grass was too high. And that's, you know, it's not as powerful and the wheels weren't as big, but for a homeowner who has a medium-sized yard, or maybe something below, this is perfect for you. Okay, it's time to edge. But if I had to grade the Brute, give it an A. All right, guys, time to bring out the works. Trimmer edger, so I can complete the rest of the yard. I'm not finished, but I just want to stop and show my appreciation towards this thing. You guys got to get one. Very light. I mean, this thing, I paid $130 something after the rebate. So it was on sale for like 147 bucks, something like that. I bought this and the blower, and you guys got to get one. You just got to get one. It just makes the job so much easier. Look at that on the side. Look at it. See that? Now, as you get more familiar with it, you'll just get better. You see the grass. I stopped there, you can tell, but it's amazing product. If you don't do anything else in your life, buy this. Even if you don't have a yard, just buy it just to look at it. You got to get it. So it looks a whole lot better. Starting to take form now. This is what you want to see. Beautiful. You guys like to see this thing in action again. I just blew a lot of stuff, so you didn't get to see it. But it doesn't play, as you can see. Oh yeah. Guys, I need some steaks. A couple steaks in here. Maybe 2, 3. Yeah. All right. Get it together in the back. Looking good. So the wife put the hydrangeas in this new home, so hopefully they recover and start growing and blossoming and the colors come back and everything like that. Moving right along, gonna add some lights to the post. So I'm measuring for that now. So get it done. 2 inches down from the top, and then I'm marking the line. Then I come with my level and just go across. So I'm doing all this to install the lights here, solar garden lights for the fence. What I'm doing now is measuring for where the screws will go. So after the 2-inch mark, we're going down another inch and a little over an inch, and then inward 3/4 of an inch. That's where the screw is gonna meet. So when you put this on, well, this is where it's gonna start here. So you want it all to line up like it's supposed to. I'm putting them in. Decided to just put the screws in, no anchors. They're catching the wood, so it's okay. I mean, I could put the anchors in, but bits I have are so big. Well, I could use a 9/64, I guess. But the anchors aren't necessary, so I might be able to use those for something else. So again, it's so far so good. That's how to operate this. You just pull the tag, turn on the color you want, white or color. So very simple. No problems whatsoever. Father-in-law came over, so certain stuff had to be not put on hold, but we're trying to do a lot at once. So they go to lights. I gotta put the caps on top, haven't ordered them yet. So this is gonna be a close for tonight. Take care of your families, take care of your bodies, take care of your lawns too. Bye.